The IRS usually gives people 5 or 6 months to respond when they owe the IRS money. If you're being threatened by the IRS to garnish your wages, or if you get a copy of the CP 504 Notice of Intent to Levy, we can at Best Tax Pro stop that notice immediately. Hi, my name is Josh Wibskowski with Best Tax Pro. Our team of former IRS revenue agents, tax attorneys, enrolled agents, and CPAs has hundreds of years of experience working with the IRS. We can stop that notice immediately by doing one of two things. Number one, we can call the IRS, or you can call the IRS when you get that CP 504 letter. We will definitely stop that wage garnishment that's coming out. Now, your second option is you can wait. You can wait until you get the next letter 5 or 6 weeks later, called the CP 1058 letter, which gives you collection due process rights hearing. So sometimes, especially with tougher cases, I would recommend waiting for the 1058 letter and filing a collection due process hearing. This is so we can get your case in front of the appeals division of the IRS. Now, an appeals hearing is very informal. The people in appeals, let's just say that they have more skill because their level of knowledge and experience is greater. But which option I would recommend depends really on your individual tax situation. If you've got a hardship situation, or if you want a payment agreement, you should go with option number one and just call the service center. But if you have a larger case, don't call them. You should hire someone to handle this for you, because really, the people that answer the phone at the IRS, they're trained to break you down on that call. So if you'd like to let us, the pros, handle things for you and to get the best possible outcome for you with the IRS, click on the link below to schedule your free 30-minute consultation with myself or any member of my team. My telephone number is 763-477-4205. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel, and be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons.